This video walks you through how to enter a W-2 manually in TurboTax. Begin by signing into your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where you want to add the form. Once the return is on screen, look to the left-hand menu, select Federal, then choose Income. This takes you to the part of the return where TurboTax tracks wages, withholding, and other income details. On the income page, find the section labeled Wages and Salaries or Form W-2. Depending on where you left off in the return, the button in that section may say Start, Add/Edit, or Revisit. Any of those options will take you to the same W-2 entry area, so click the one that appears in your return. TurboTax will then ask how you want to bring in your W-2 information. Since this process is for manual entry, choose the option that says Type it in myself or Enter my W-2 manually. That tells TurboTax you will be copying the information directly from the paper or digital W-2 instead of importing it from an employer or payroll provider. Next, enter your employer information exactly as it appears on the W-2. This includes the employer name, address, and the employer identification number, also called the EIN. It is important to match the form closely here because those details are used to identify the employer record on your return. If a letter, number, or punctuation mark appears on the W-2, enter it the same way in TurboTax. After that, move through the wage and tax boxes on the form and copy each amount into the matching field in TurboTax. Enter your wages, federal income tax withheld, Social Security wages and tax, Medicare wages and tax, and any other boxes that apply to your form. Work carefully from one box to the next so you do not skip a field or place an amount in the wrong location. If a box on your W-2 is blank, leave the corresponding field blank unless TurboTax requires an entry. Before going forward, review everything you entered. Compare the employer details, EIN, wage amounts, and withholding amounts against the original W-2. This is the point where it is worth slowing down for a final check, especially if there are several boxes filled in on your form. A small typing mistake here can carry through the rest of the return. When the information matches your W-2, click Continue. TurboTax will save the W-2 and move you into the rest of the tax interview so you can keep working through your return. Your W-2 has now been entered manually in TurboTax and saved to your tax return.